Hello. Come on. Hello. It's rainy. I know that you all hate of the rainy weather because it makes you wet and it doesn't like you don't like that. Any cat doesn't like this weather. Hello. Look at this cat. Both are dirty at the moment because they came wet and they don't like this weather. Can you see that? Yeah. Come on, boys. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. You don't like that? It's rainy. You don't like that? Yes, always you don't like that. I like you so much. Like the other cat is coming around. And the weather. See.